Welcome back to the Miss Easy English YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the Phrasal Verbs series. Let's learn more phrasal verbs. Get along, meaning to have a good relationship with someone. The new student gets along well with everyone. Get along, meaning to have a good relationship with someone. My sister and I didn't get along when we were young. Give away, meaning to give something for free. The store gave away free samples all weekend. Give away, meaning to give something for free. He gave away his old books to the library. Give up, meaning to stop trying or to quit. Don't give up, you are almost finished. Give up, meaning to stop trying or to quit. She gave up sugar for a whole month. Run into, meaning to meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. Guess who I ran into at the coffee shop today? Run into, meaning to meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. I ran into my neighbor while grocery shopping. Talk over, meaning to discuss something. Let's talk over the budget before the deadline. Talk over, meaning to discuss something. The two friends talked over their plans for the trip. Wrap up, meaning to finish or complete something. Let's wrap up this lesson with a quick quiz. Wrap up, meaning to finish or complete something. The team wrapped up the project a day early. Take off, meaning when a plane leaves the ground. Fasten your seatbelt, the plane is about to take off. Take off, meaning when a plane leaves the ground. Bad weather delayed the flight from taking off on time. Turn down, meaning to refuse or to lower the volume. Turn down, meaning to refuse or to lower the volume. He turned down the job offer to stay closer to home. Turn down, meaning to refuse or to lower the volume. Could you turn down the TV? The baby is sleeping. Give back, meaning to return something to its owner. Don't forget to give back the umbrella you borrowed. Give back, meaning to return something to its owner. She gave back the extra change to the cashier. Go through, meaning to experience something difficult. Many families went through hardship during the storm. Go through, meaning to experience something difficult. He went through a difficult breakup last year. Come back, meaning to return. Promise me you will come back for the summer. Come back, meaning to return. The birds come back to this tree every spring. Do over, meaning to do something again. The teacher asked him to do the essay over. Do over, meaning to do something again. My drawing was messy, so I decided to do it over. Eat out, meaning to eat at a restaurant. We eat out every Friday as a family tradition. Eat out, meaning to eat at a restaurant. Let's eat out tonight. I don't feel like cooking. That's the end of Phrasal Verbs, Part 2. Want to learn more? Let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!